I loved that Rob wove in some moments of real responsibility, frankly, with climate change.
I feel that people who deny climate change are like troglodytes. You know, they still live in caves. And as Toby Kebbell, our meteorologist in the movie, says, as the oceans warm through global warming, there is man-made climate change.
It's very clear that this is about global warming. Now, with the amount of industry we've had over the last 100 plus years now, it's driven it forward exponentially.
And I think you can't make a movie like this and not address the subject, you know, because the reason it's a Category 5 hurricane is because the Gulf of Mexico keeps getting warmer. And the more it warms up, the more power the cyclonic movements off the surface of the water to create a hurricane could be, you know, happening.